What's going on, guys? It's Jared from Credential here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how we easily manage all our proxies here at Credential for our customers. Now without further ado, let's get started. So we actually have a bot on Telegram where you're able to manage all your proxies from there. Once again, if you're not one of our customers, we offer $30 off your first month. Just message me the word YouTube on Telegram at JD_OFM to claim that offer. Now here we have the main dashboard where you're able to manage all the proxies. You're going to see a list of all your available connections here. I'm going to go ahead and click the manage ID here. First button we have here is rotate IP. If you click it, it's going to send a rotation request to the proxy itself, and it's going to basically just rotate the IP. Let's go ahead and wait for that. All right, so as you can see, the proxy has rotated the IP. Now it ends in .22. Says unstable because it just rotated the IPs. Now we can go ahead and move on to the reboot link. Essentially what this does is reboot the device itself. You would use this in the case of it being slow or just feeling clunky. Now credentials here. Here you're actually able to see all the logins to the proxy itself. You can see them in different formats as well. So as you can see, we have SOX5 login, HTTP login. This is rotation link and reboot link, but these are the credentials here, the logins. So you can do view split format. And what this allows you to do is just copy the server, port, username, password, so you can paste it into whichever proxy app easily. For example, Shadow Rocket, Super Proxy, or Tundasox. Very easy to do. You can also use that on a computer as well to paste that into, anti-detect browsers. And edit password here. This allows you to edit the proxy login's password. So for example, if we wanted to edit the port 13084, we can just type in a password here and then hit enter. And as you can see, the password has now been changed. So we can click view credentials, and now it is the password that we set earlier. So that's essentially it for that. You can also click reset all passwords. That'll change the passwords on all the SOX5 and HTTP logins. I'm going to click back here. Now we have the action links. This is basically just the rotation link and the reboot link. You can use this rotation link to rotate the IP manually instead of using the bot. So you can just paste this into a browser and it'll send a rotation request. Reboot link, this is pretty straightforward. It just reboots the device. It's as if you were to click the reboot button on the bot, except you can use this whenever you're not on Telegram. And then obviously you can delete them, create new ones, and then just remove all of them. Now we have auto rotate. So with this feature, you're actually able to set a auto rotation time. The minimum we have set is 5 minutes, but you can set it to 5, 10, 20, whatever number you desire. And you can also disable it here or enter a custom number there. Now VPN configs. So this is how you get the OpenVPN config file. I have a video covering how to apply this to your device. I'll link it right here. Now you can just click create here, name it whatever. And with that, you've created a VPN config file, and you can just click download here. Whether you be on computer or phone, you can just easily just click this and it'll create a file here. And from there, you can save that to files, or if you're on computer, you can just download it to your PC. And yeah, it's essentially it for that. Now we have the refresh button. So this is kind of like the reboot button, except sort of like a softer version of it. It basically just refreshes the network on the device. So you basically just have to wait less, but it's more of like a softer reboot. It just doesn't reboot the device. It's more of like a network thing. So if you feel like the proxy's slow or anything, you can just go ahead and click that button right there. Now, we also have view custom format. So if you're running any bots or anything and you want a list, you can just click this, and this will give you let's say you have like 10 or 20 proxies with us. You can just get a list of the logins here, and then you can just click copy, And yeah, just paste that into your bot or whatever you've got going on your end. And if you do need any other formats, you can just message us and we will implement them in the bot as well. Now the expired, so let's say you have proxies and they expired already, you can just click this to see a history of proxies and when they expired. And if you want to renew them, you can just message me on Telegram. Now we have the team section. So you can click that and then add members here. So admin gives similar control to the owner of the proxies, except obviously they can't remove you from having access to that proxy. But yeah, admin would be like a really close team member. You would give them access. And then VA, they're just allowed to view credentials, rotate, reboot, really just the basics. And yeah, pretty straightforward. All right, now we have want free proxies. You can go ahead and click that. Essentially, if you invite people, you will also be rewarded with proxies. But yeah, you can check out the bot for that. Now for support/feature requests, if you click this, it'll take you directly to my Telegram. So you can just message me quickly. And settings here you're actually able to enter a referral code. So if anyone invited you, you can just click that and then enter the username that invited you and then refresh. So this basically just refreshes the screen. Let's say you renewed a proxy and it still says expired here. You can just click refresh and it'll pop up there. Now, trusted partners. Here we have a list of trusted partners we have worked for or worked with for a while who we can vouch. Basically, they're mainly Reddit account sellers, but yeah, you can check them out. Obviously, this button's straightforward. This takes you directly to our YouTube. Once again, guys, we do offer $30 off your first month with us. If you're not already a customer, just message me the word YouTube on Telegram and we'll get you set up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to manage your Central Cell proxies directly from our Telegram bot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.